Okay, this is super awkward, but we're putting together videos for you guys so you can learn the ins and outs of beekeeping while not being able to meet up. So social distancing, make sure to keep your space away from people. But the teachers are meeting up, and I'm gonna start working with like really small groups, so that way it's just like me with one or two people to show you guys what you would be doing. And so in hopes that as soon as this quarantining ends, we can all start meeting up at the hives and you'll know exactly what to do. So don't make fun of these videos too much. Don't make too many mean comments down below. But excited to see what you guys think and how this whole video editing thing goes. Wish me luck. Bye.
This is Bostrom opening a hive on the east side, and the smoke calms the bees down so they do not attack my face.
Okay, so I'm like standing out here in the rain, and it was sunny a minute ago, but now it's not. Welcome to spring. I'm going to be talking about why all this stuff is in my backyard, but for starting today, we're going to talk about smokers. Because to be able to go to a hive, you've got to be able to work with smokers. So, yeah, we'll see how this goes, but lighters, fuel, and smokers that you shall see shortly.
So this is a tall and a short smoker. This one doesn't have a guard around it, so it's hot to touch, but that one does have a guard. And that one has like a new and improved rubber part, I guess, and that's the original one with leather. You can see that this one was really old, so the lid would just break off at the top, and the other one has grass in it because we had put it out. This is me and Bostrom at the hive, and Gardner is videoing, and so she's talking to Bostrom and being like, "What the heck are you doing?" And so we had put wood chips in here and some little pieces of paper to catch it on fire, and Bostrom is getting it all lit. So we always forget a lighter, and so make sure you have a lighter before you leave the house, or you got to hit the corner store. But there we go with Bostrom, starting to smoke the hive. So she poofs it, is the technical term I like to use, and she does it all at the bottom. So this is kind of a breakdown of the two different sizes that we saw earlier. They're both pretty new, but the taller one was purchased by Apiary, and we're just taking out the grass from the last time we used it when Bostrom had it the other day. So you can see it still has fuel in it. So we're just gonna open up this container, which is what we always take to make sure we have everything. It's really easy if you keep the lighter in there. And so I'm just kind of going through and showing you that we have paper. The paper is from whenever we were using the wax foundations to build the frames. Most of you guys have done that. And so we just saved the paper in here. And so this is just cedar wood chips. You can usually buy it kind of like gerbil housing, but this time we had to buy it like for gardening. So I have like a meter of it. Once you've gotten it pretty full, you stick that paper from the wax in there and get it lit. And it'll stay lit, but as you're using it, you've got to refill it because it'll burn through the fuel. You've got to feed the fire, and so sometimes it goes out and we have to start it, but as long as you shake it, it's generally pretty good. Once you're done, you go over and grab some grass, and this is what you saw sticking out of the smokers, and it's kind of fluttering there in the top left. We just twist the grass in half and then squeeze it in there, and that snuffs out the oxygen.
Okay, I did one.
High five. Hey, we're wearing gloves. We can do it.
Yay! Okay, it was really bad, but thanks for sticking with my video editing. I'm gonna get better with time.
I like my girls just like I like my honey. Sweet, little selfish. I like my women like I like my money. Green, little jealous. 'Cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, I'm a heartbreak vet with a stone cold neck, yeah, I'm charming. heart, it will stay with you. Fly great escapes with you. I count down to the clock, say you awake. Don't walk away, or would you wait for me? I go out to the bar, fuck hanging with the stars. Don't even have a car, but you away from me. The pretty girls in the world, but I'm in this space with you. Colored out the lines, they can't define. My fire was fake with you. My heart, it will stay with you. Escape with you. I like my girls just like I like my honey. Sweet, a little selfish. I like my women like I like my money. Green, a little jealous. Oh, I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, I'm a heartbreak vet with a stone cold neck. I'm so charming. Oh, oh, la 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 la. Ooh, yeah. Do 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 do. Is it love? All we need is love. The Beatles said prophecy is love. Do re mi fa sol la ti is love.